Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to turn off Gemini activity in Google Gemini on iPhone. All right, let's begin. First, open the Google Gemini app on your iPhone and make sure you're signed into your account. By default, the app saves your activity, including prompts and interactions. To turn this off, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will open your account settings. From there, find and select Gemini Apps Activity. Once you're on the activity page, you'll see that activity tracking is currently turned on. Tap on the On option to manage it. A pop-up will appear giving you the option to turn off activity tracking. Select Turn Off to disable it. After that, confirm your choice if prompted. Then tap Got It to finish the process. Your Gemini activity tracking will now be disabled, meaning future interactions will no longer be saved. Keep in mind that turning this off does not delete your previous activity. It only stops new activity from being stored. So that's basically how you can turn off Gemini activity in Google Gemini on iPhone. That's it for this video. Thanks.